Hello friends and welcome to my channel Anita Shiksha. I am Dr. Anita and I am here to share a very important news for the teachers that the government teachers are not included in the list of COVID warriors, and I would like to ask this question: why they are not included in this list when they are doing a lot of things for this corona, and it is really a sheer ignorance of the government towards teachers. When lakhs of teachers are working day and night for the government, why aren't the government teachers given any priority? This is injustice towards them, and state government should make some action against this thing so that we should know that they care about us. As you can see that there is a news in front of you that I will just read it out for you. Among the 18 categories of professionals who have been included in the list of COVID warriors by the state government, teachers have been excluded. I don't understand why they have excluded the teachers when the maximum duties have been conducted by the teachers only. They are doing door to door surveys. They have their duties in the vaccination areas. They are giving their duties in the quarantine centers. Then why they are not included in the COVID warriors list? This is really very disappointing. So as you can see that currently more than 1 lakh government teachers are conducting a door to door survey to prepare a list of people suffering from fever or COVID symptoms. Even I worked as a member of anti-COVID team, and we really used to go door to door to ask that how many people have been vaccinated from one house, and it is a very tough job. Then also, after being working so hard, teachers are not included in this. This is really very disappointing. Shows the real ignorance towards the teachers by the government. The government should take some proper action, and they should include the teachers in this COVID warriors list. Narayan Singh Sisodia, spokesperson of Rajasthan Shikshaks EVM Panchayati Raj Karmachari Sangh, said this is a discrimination to employees of a profession who from day one has been helping others and supporting the government in the fight against COVID. There is a need to vaccinate all government teachers. This is such an unjust behavior of the government who have completely ignored us. And then you can see that there is a further news also. You can just read it out on yourself. That now I would like to ask all the teachers that don't you feel that this is not working in a proper way? We would like to ask the colleagues who are working as teachers that don't you think that this is really an injustice with the teachers? And every next day we are receiving some news of this sort, that we are working so hard, then also we are not included in the list of COVID warriors. So government should take some action against this thing, and I hope that government will do. Let's hope for the best. And by the time, if you are new to my channel, you can like, subscribe and share my channel, and you can ask the students of your school to study English from my channel. I teach students from 6th to 12th. All the books course have been already completed on my channel, and I have uploaded the question answers also. And students who are appearing for the 10th and 12th boards, they are really facing a tough time. So you can ask them, you can guide them that they can easily study from Anita Shiksha, because I have shared model papers also which are already solved on my channel. As you can see that when we are working with the government from the first day, then why we are not included in this list? Why the teachers have been excluded from the list? They should be included in the list, because even I have worked in an anti-COVID team. I have done door-to-door survey, and now they are saying that you are not a COVID warrior. How can we accept that when we are there, the member of the anti-COVID teams? Then how can we won't be the member of the COVID warriors? It is really a point to be noted, and we should think about this thing, that there are teachers who are going and working very hard in the fields, and it is really injustice with them. And when lakhs of teachers are working day and night for government, why aren't the government teachers given any priority? This is an injustice towards them, and state government should make some decision for this thing. They should take care about the teachers also, because teachers are the basic builders of this nation. And when we are there with the government, then why government is not there with us? So this is a question, and I hope we'll get an answer for this question from the government, and government will include us in the list. What are your suggestions? You can write in the comment box, so that I can come to know that how many teachers are there who are thinking like me that we should be included in the COVID warrior uh, teams, and as a COVID warrior we should be included in the list. So I would like to see your comments in my comment box, and if you like my channel and if you are new to my channel, you can like, subscribe and share this to your students. They can study from my channel. Ask them to subscribe my channel and study. It's free channel. Thanks. Have a nice day.